Online grocery shopping. Good morning, everyone. Welcome back to my channel and welcome to my August 2023 reset vlog. Today we were just going to spend the whole day kind of getting our life together, prepping for this next month. By the time I post this video, it will already be a few days into August, so I hope everyone's month is off to a great start. I just can't believe it's August. Like, where has the summer gone? I don't know about where you guys are, but where I am, we're going through like a huge heat wave right now. So I just want to remind everyone, like, stay hydrated, be cautious about, you know, how much time you're spending in the sun. I know, like, these days I can only take Cleo out for like 20 minutes and then we call it, you know, call it in, because I don't want her to get overheated. I personally love the heat, but obviously just have to be like super safe. So it is about 9:30. I'm gonna go get a morning workout in, and then later on today we're just gonna do all types of things to, you know, get ready for this new month. We're gonna do some organizing, goal setting, we're gonna do a grocery haul, all the good stuff. And also I wanted to mention, if you're new to my channel and if you enjoy this type of content, don't forget to subscribe, join our family, give this video a like. And I would also love if you guys can comment and let me know, how did you find my channel and how long have you been watching my channel? I'm always curious. But anyways, I will see you guys in a little bit. Bye bye, see you later, I love you. Okay, so we are going to do some online grocery shopping. I'm sure you guys have realized by now, I don't really go to the grocery store that much. There's not a really big one around me. There's like a lot of really small, like, mom and pop marts. Those are nice if I just need to pick up like something small, but as far as like my everyday staples, I usually just order them online. It's a lot easier, and I found that it saves me money, because whenever I go into like a really big grocery store, I'm like, oh, I want this and this and this and this, but then when I just do like my online shopping, I feel like I'm not as inclined to do that. But I feel like for some people it's the opposite. Like, some people buy way more online. But anyways, I just wanted to show you what I'm ordering, and these have been like my everyday staples for the past few months. I feel like I've showed this in past videos, but I just thought I would show you again. So first, we are gonna order some gokuma. They're so good. I air fry them and I eat these every single day. They're a great snack and a great source of carbs. We're gonna add some of those into the cart. Next, we are going to definitely get eggs. Eggs are another great food. Another thing about me is that, like, I don't like spending money on groceries, so I feel like I've found a really good set of like healthy foods that don't break the bank, and I just stick to them. Next, we're gonna do frozen broccoli. Cleo and I typically go through like a bag of this a week. I do give Cleo a lot of broccoli, so we share it. Next is chicken breast. I will usually get the frozen kind. I actually usually don't eat Greek yogurt, but my trainer told me that I should start incorporating it into my diet. So I'm just going to get one of these containers just for a little bit. I could eat so much Greek yogurt, like, I love it, but I sometimes feel like it makes me a little bit bloated, so let's just see. Next staple is wheat bread. I love to have like a slice of this in the morning with eggs on top, bananas, and spinach. Okay, so that is everything I'm gonna order. It's 8 items and the total comes to around like $65. So not terrible. They're all foods that will last me for pretty much a full week. I'll probably have to repurchase some after a week. And then besides that, anytime I want to have a snack, whether it's like an ice cream, because I literally will eat an ice cream almost every night for dessert, or if I'm suddenly craving like a bag of chips or something, I'll just go downstairs to a convenience store and I will pick it up. I just personally don't like to have that kind of stuff in my house because I am so inclined to binge. If I buy like the big family packs of chips, they will all be gone within like 2 days. So I don't want you guys to think that I'm not eating any of that kind of stuff, because trust me, like anybody that knows me knows how much I love sweets, but I just don't buy them like ahead of time. I will just kind of like get the craving and then I'll go get it, and that way it just keeps me binge free. So pretty good grocery haul. It's all gonna arrive tomorrow morning, but I just wanted to show you everything I have in my cart. And by the way, besides all the stuff that I just ordered, stuff I already have in my house that I use is almond milk. I put that in my smoothies and my coffee. Quinoa I have in my house, rice I have in my house, and then also, I think I've shown this in other vlogs, but my boyfriend's mom, she will often send us things like beef, kimchi, fruits, and stuff like that. So I'm really lucky, and I feel like I get like a nice little free bonus grocery haul once every couple of weeks, so that's also really nice. Okay, so I'm just walking home from that cafe and I walked past the unmanned dog store that I've really been meaning to go in. And I was like, let's just go in. I mean, why not? This place is so cute. I mean, honestly, I feel like every pet store these days just has the cutest stuff, but I think because it's a new month, I might let Cleo pick out a toy, just one toy. So let's see how she reacts. She's like sniffing everywhere. I think she totally knows like where we are. Cleo, what you want to get? You want to get a laptop? Which one? What you want? Pick out your toy. Which toy do you want, honey? Or you want fish? Do these have squeakies? Do these have squeakies? I don't think they have squeakies. You're not gonna like that. Do you want an outfit? I don't think you want an outfit. I was looking at this one. I think she would look so cute in this. Oh my gosh. Oh, I'm so tempted. And the price is pretty good too. Oh! You like these? She usually likes the softer ones. She's like, get me the heck out of here. Alright, it is later on. I'm going to start getting ready for bed soon, but before I do that, I wanted to share my intentions because it would not be a reset video without sharing some of those. And I'm not going to be talking about goals this month because, to be honest, I have not been super goal oriented this year, which is really interesting because I actually feel like I've had more of a productive year than ever. Instead of being goal oriented, I've been intention oriented. So I've been living with specific intentions and I feel like it's just so much less pressure, but I have way more direction, if that makes sense. I don't know. You guys, let me know if you know what I'm talking about. So I want to talk about what I'm looking forward to. Sorry, I'm looking at my iPad. I want to talk about what I'm looking forward to and then also my actual intentions for the month. So the main thing I'm looking forward to for August is continuing like having a good summer. I've been trying so many new things this summer, meeting new people and just getting out and having fun. I feel like in the past 4 summers, this is probably my favorite one, which is interesting because it's not like I've gone anywhere super special, but I've just been having a lot more wholesome days, I guess, with people that I love. So really looking forward to that. And then also this month, my 2 really good friends from college are coming to Busan. First people that have ever come to visit me all the way out in Korea. So I am so excited for them to come here. If you guys are in Busan or if you visited Busan, I would love to hear like what were your favorite things that you did here, because obviously like I have a long list of everything I want to do with them, but I'm curious what like visitors found most memorable. But anyways, let's talk about intentions, because as I said, like having intentions has really helped my overall quality of life this year, I feel like. So the first is, let's talk about health. So I want to continue to make healthy food and exercise choices. I showed you in this video and I talked about it in a recent video, but I'm back at the gym. In 2021, I went to the gym all the time. I trained really hard and I took like a body profile photo. And what ended up happening is after the photo, like I basically crashed and I burned, and I never wanted to walk into the gym ever again. So I was like avoiding it for almost 2 years. So it's kind of a big deal that I'm going back to the gym now, because I feel like I was like putting it off for so long, but it feels so good. Like it's something that I actually look forward to and I don't dread anymore. But because of that, I'm having to make a lot of diet changes to not only like fuel my workouts, but also I'm trying to really see results. And if you're not eating right, you know, you guys already know, like you're not going to see good results from your workouts. So I'm trying to have good nutrition to fuel my fitness, and I'm kind of living on like an 85-15 balance. So 85% nutritious whole foods and then 15% fun foods. As I mentioned, like earlier in this video, I love dessert, I love snacks, and I will be having an ice cream later tonight because I deserve it. But yeah, I'm really trying to not miss any meals, because like I get in such a bad habit of skipping lunch or skipping breakfast, and then it will just screw up my like body all day. Like I'll get really anxious because I'm hungry, and then instead of even having like energy to cook, I'll just like pass out and I'll take a nap. So I'm being a lot more intentional about having breakfast, lunch, and dinner, and making sure I'm like hitting all my food groups. Kind of going along with that is eating at home as much as possible, and then really being able to enjoy when I go out with friends. So or even just like going out by myself and enjoying it. But I really would like to be eating at home like 5 to 6 days out of the week, and then like only having like 1 or 2 meals out in the week. We'll see how this next week goes. The final health intention I have is continuing to work on my endurance at the gym. I am so guilty of like getting on the treadmill, and then after like 10 minutes I'll be like, okay, I'm done, like no more running. But I just need to push myself, and the same goes for weightlifting and just like trying to go up a weight. Even if it like hurts and it burns, like you're only gonna see results if you push yourself. Next category is work. So I want to keep up with my upload schedule. I am so proud of myself because like every single week this summer I uploaded. I never missed a week, and that is something I'm really proud of, because the past few years have been a little bit of a struggle to stay consistent on YouTube like every week, but I'm really happy with that. I've been just like feeling so motivated, so good with YouTube. And then I also want to work on reels that are not sponsored, because I post reels on Instagram, but they're always sponsored, and I just want to do more fun reels that are not affiliated with brands or selling products. And speaking of working with brands, I would also really like to work with more American brands. I love working with my brands here in Korea, but I would really like to establish some more US brand relationships. Like I used to work with brands like Native and HelloFresh. Obviously I can't work with HelloFresh on my channel because I'm in Korea, but hopefully more American brands can get in the works. And the final work intention I have is continue to work on my upcoming launch for Saved by Salt. Really hoping for it to come out early fall, but might have to do mid-fall. We're gonna see. It's something I never want to rush, just because of like product quality testing and all that kind of stuff. Yeah, if you guys didn't know, I have a jewelry brand, Saved by Salt. Check it out. This piece right here, this is gonna come in the fall launch, so be on the lookout. I've been wearing this non-stop for months. I love it. The final category of intentions are financial intentions, and all summer I've been really saving. Like, I mean, I've still been going out and having fun, you know, you guys see me like go to cafes and restaurants, but I have not been going on any lavish shopping sprees, haven't been going on lavish trips. You know, I don't really go up to Seoul that much unless it's for work, so I've been saving a lot of money, and I actually have to book a plane ticket to go back home this fall, which is going to be like $1,500. It's expensive, so I just want to make sure I am saving in all the right places when I can. And then the final goal is I want to track my spending. I always see people that are able to track like what they're spending their money on. That was a lot of words. But I just want to be able to sit down at the end of this month and I want to see like, okay, I spent this much on food, this much on cafes, this much on transportation. And I just feel like it's gonna help me so much with planning future months and seeing where I can save better. Drop below in the comments like what are your favorite apps on your phone, like preferably something that I can just like connect to my bank account, because it's really hard for me to like go through and like track everything just because of like, I don't know, time. I should be good at it. I was a finance major in college, but financial, I definitely want to be tracking, and I'm gonna hold myself to it, because when we do our September reset, I'm gonna look back at these goals and I'm gonna make sure I track. Alright guys, so that is going to wrap it up for the vlog. I really enjoyed bringing you guys along with me. There was some more stuff that I wanted to get done, but I did not have time to, like my closet clean out. I only got to do a little bit of that, but we will definitely finish that up this upcoming week. I hope you guys enjoyed this vlog. Let me know if you have anything you're looking forward to this month. Are any of you guys going back to school, or are you moving? Let me know. I think overall like August is going to be a pretty chill month for me, but I'm really looking forward to this whole month just because, you know, I love summer and it's always nice starting a new month. It's a fresh start. If you enjoyed this video, please give this video a thumbs up, drop a comment, and don't forget to subscribe. I was looking at my analytics and only 30% of my viewers are subscribed to my channel, so please don't forget. And if you really like this video, turn on your notifications so you won't miss another upload. But that's about it. I love you, and I'll see you very soon in my next vlog. Bye.